Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss SSLC preparatory examination answer key for mathematics subject. I have prepared the answer key for all the questions. You can download it from the description part. Let's start discussing the first question. A pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 have unique solution. Unique means 1. Then the correct relation among the following is. Correct option is C. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Intersection lines. Second question. The formula to find the first sum of first n terms of a positive odd numbers is. Correct option is Sn is equal to n square. Third question. The quadratic equation in the following is. Correct option is A. X square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Equation means you should have equal to symbol, and quadratic equation means the highest degree should be 2. Moving on to the fourth question. If a is equal to 30, then the value of sine 2a is. Sine 2a means 2 into 30 where a is 30. So 2 into 30 is 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Correct option for fourth question is B. Fifth question. The distance of the coordinate 3, 4 from x-axis is 4 units. If you take the coordinate axis 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4 is the point lies here. It is how many units away from x-axis? Obviously 4 units. So correct option for this question is B. Whenever they ask x-axis, you have to pick the y coordinate, and y-axis you have to take the x coordinate, students. Question. The x coordinate of the point of intersection of less than and more than type of ogive gives you the median. Seventh question. Triangle AD is similar to triangle ABC. AD is 1 centimeter, AB is 2 centimeters. Then area of triangle ABC divided by triangle ADE is. Area of triangle ABC divided by triangle ADE is. We know that the area of similar triangles theorem, which is nothing but square of the ratios of their corresponding sides. So corresponding sides ratios are given as 2 and 1. So 2 square by 1 square, which is nothing but 4 by 1. So ratio will be 4 is to 1. Correct option for seventh question is A. Eighth question. The formula to find the lateral surface area of a frustum of a cone whose circular ends having radii R1 and R2 and slanted L units is. Correct option is C. Pi into R1 plus R2 into L square units. You'll move on to the second section. Answer the following question. Ninth question. Write the number of solution for the pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a1x plus b1y plus c2 is equal to 0 as. Clearly, x coordinate of first equation and second equation, y coordinate of first equation and second equation are equal. So a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 are equal, but c1 by c2 is not equal. Therefore, this is a condition for parallel line. So correct option for this ninth question is no solution because the lines are parallel. 10th question. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. See, clearly the question indicates 17th term A17 exceeds 10th term by 7. So A10 plus 7. If you write this in equation form, your answer will become, you will get the answer very easily. A 17th term formula is A plus 16D because AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. 17 minus 1 is 16. A10 is A plus 9D. 10 minus 1 is 9 plus D. So clearly AA will get cancelled on either side of the equal to 16D. Plus 9D moves to the other side will become minus 9D. So 7D is equal to 7. D is equal to 1. So 10th answer is D value is 1. 11th question. If sine A is 3 by 4, then cosecant A is 4 by 3. The reason is simple, students. Sine and cosecant are reciprocal to each other. If sine is 3 by 4, obviously cosecant will be the reciprocal of 3 by 4, which is 4 by 3. Write the coordinates of the midpoints of the line joining the points A x1 y1 B x2 y2 is. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. One formula is compulsory for the examination, students, either for choose the correct answer or one mark question. 13th question. State basic proportionality theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. One statement either from Pythagoras theorem, basic proportionality theorem, or areas of similar triangle, you will get students. By heart these statements of theorems. 14th question. If diameter of a circle is 7 centimeters, then write the length of semicircular arc. We know the length of semicircular arc formula, which is pi r. Full circle is 2 pi r. Semicircle will be pi r, students. So pi value is 22 by 7. Radius is 7 by 2. They have given the diameter of a semicircle, which is 7. So radius will be 7 by 2. 7 7 get cancelled. 22 by 2 is 11 centimeters. 15th question. Write the formula to find the surface area of a sphere. Surface area of a sphere formula is 4 pi r square. 16th question. Find the length of the side of a cube whose volume is 64 centimeters. Volume of a cube is given as 64 centimeter cube. Volume of a cube formula is a cube, which is 64. A will be cube root of 64, which is nothing but 4. So length of a side of a cube is 4 centimeters. We'll see third section now. We have total 8 questions in this section. Each question carries 2 marks. Total weightage is 16 marks. 17th question. Solve the following linear equation by elimination method. 2x plus y is equal to 14. 2x minus y is equal to 4. As the method itself says elimination, we have to eliminate y. Plus y minus y get cancelled. 2x plus 1x is 3x. 14 plus 4 is 18. So x is equal to 18 by 3, which is 6. X value is 6. Once you got the x value, substitute x is equal to 6 either in first equation or second equation. So I am substituting in first equation. First equation is 2x plus y is equal to 14. After substituting the x, y value is 2. Moving on to the 18th question. Find the 15th term of AP. So nth term formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. Whenever the term of arithmetic progression is given, you have to represent with the formula, students. You will at least get half mark. Nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. In the arithmetic progression, first term is denoted with a and difference, common difference is denoted with a2 minus a1. 8 minus 3 is 5. We know the value of a, we know the value of d, and we are going to apply in 15th term. 15th term formula is a plus 14d, because 15 minus 1 is 14. So a value is 3, d value is 5. 14 5 is 70, 70 plus 3 is 73. 19th question. Find the sum of first 20 terms of AP. Sum to n term formula is given by Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In arithmetic progression, just now we discussed a value will be first term, which is 2. D is common difference, 7 minus 2 is 5. And n is 20. In the question itself, they asked to find the sum of first 20 terms. So n is 20. Applying a, d, n in the formula, we will get Sn value as 990. Moving on to the next question, 20th question. Find the value of k if kx square plus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0 have equal roots. If roots are equal, then b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. This is one of the expected question for board exam students. Replacing a, b, c in the discriminant formula, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. 6 square minus 4k into 1 is equal to 0. 6 square value is 36 minus 4k is equal to 0. 4k is equal to 36. K is 36 by 4, which is nothing but 9. 21st problem. Find the roots of quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0 using quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Replacing a, b, c. A is x square quotient, b is x quotient, and c is constant. We will get the roots as x is equal to minus 1 plus root 33 by 4, and another root is minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. 22nd question. Find sin p and tan r. Remember, students, any trigonometric term followed by alphabet or symbol is angle A. So we are going to find sin p. So whenever they are asking to find sin p, we have to check the ratio with respect to p. Sin formula is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite to p is 1 and hypotenuse is 2. Tan r, we are going to check the tan ratio with respect to r. Tan formula is opposite by adjacent. R opposite, side opposite to R is root 3, and adjacent to R is 1. So root 3 by 1 is root 3. Moving on to the 23rd question. Find the distance between 2 3 and 6 6. One definite question from distance between 2 point students. First point can be represented as x1 y1. Second point should represent as x2 y2, and we have to replace in the formula. One has to by heart the formulas. Distance formula is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Our answer is root 25, which is nothing but 5 units. 24th question and last question of this third section. Draw a line segment of length 8 centimeter divided in the ratio 2 is to 3. First we have to draw a line segment of 8 centimeters. Then we have to divide this line ray acute ray AX into 5 equal parts, which is represented as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Join the last part and we have to draw the parallel line from A2. So this line can be divided as 2 is to 3. Now we will discuss fourth section. In fourth section we have 9 questions. Each question carries 3 marks. Total weightage in this section is 27 marks. 25th question, find the sum of all multiples of 4 between 10 and 250. Multiples of 4 between 10 and 250 are 12 to 248. So we have to find the nth term first. Nth term formula is a plus n minus 1 into d, and we got number of terms as 60. Then question is sum to all multiples of 4. So we have to use Sn formula, which is nothing but n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So in this progression, we know that a value is 12, d value is 4, and n we got it as 60. Replacing a, d, n in sum to n term formula, we'll get S60 as 7800. Prove that 5 cos square 60 plus 4 secant square 30 minus tan square 45 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30 is 67 by 2. We'll take LHS students and we will find the answer as 67 by 2, which is RHS. Replacing the values of cos 60 in the question, cos 60 is 1 by 2, secant 30 is 2 by root 3, and tan 45 is 1. As the question is there square, and replace the square in each term. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 whole square, cos square 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square. And doing simple calculation, we got the answer as 67 by 2, which is RHS. We have taken LHS and proved answer as RHS. Moving on to the 27th question. 27th question is one of the important and expected question for board exam. Find K if points are collinear. Remember students, if points are collinear, then area of triangle will be equal to 0. They will not give area of triangle word to use, but remember this collinear word is very important. So if points are collinear, then area of triangle is equal to 0. We all know that area of triangle formula is 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. Replacing x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 in the formula, will get the value of k as 4. Next important and expected question in 10th class question paper is either mean or median or mode. In this question paper, we have mean and mode as internal choice. We'll discuss mean. We'll get class interval and frequency in the question paper. We have to take mid value for mean and fi xi. Mid value can be represented as xi. Frequency should be represented as fi. So mid value of 0 to 10 is 5, mid value of 10 to 20 is 15, 20 to 30 is 25, 30 to 40 mid value is 35, 40 to 50 is 45. We have to multiply f and x. 5 5s are 25, 8 15s are 120, 20 into 25 is 500, 15 into 35 is 525, and 7 into 45 is 315. Sum of all this fi xi is 1485, and sum of frequency is 55. We all know the mean formula sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Sigma fi xi value is 1485 and sigma fi is 55. 1485 divided by 55 is 27. We'll find mode now. Class interval and frequency, only two boxes for mode. First we have to round up the modal class. As 8 is the highest frequency, we have to find the modal class. This is the modal class. Here in the modal class, L is 7, F1 is 8, F0 is 4, F2 is 6. Replacing this all in the formula, mode formula, and we know the mode formula as L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. H is nothing but the class width, which is 3, 10 minus 7 is 3. Replacing these values in the formula, we will get the answer as 9. Discuss 29th question. 29th question is a less than type oju. We have to take the points with the given condition. Less than 50, it is 2 frequencies, so 50 comma 2. Less than 55 is 10 frequency, 55 comma 10. Less than 60 is 22. Less than 65 is 46. Less than 70 is 74, and less than 75 is 100. One thing we have to remember, students, they have already given the cumulative frequency, so don't add up. If frequency is given, we have to take the cumulative frequency by adding the frequencies. Here directly the question indicates cumulative frequency, so no need of adding. Plot these points in the graph. So 50 comma 2 lies here, 55 10, 60 22, 65 46, 70 74, and 75 100. Join with your free hands, and the less than oju type curve looks like this. 38th question is a theorem from circle chapter. Prove that the length of tangent drawn from external point to a circle are equal. The diagram looks like this. OPA is one triangle, and we have to consider OPB as another triangle. And when compare, we have to prove that two triangles are congruent using RHS axiom. So once these two triangles are congruent, we can write that PA is equal to PB using corresponding parts of a congruence triangle. Moving on to 32nd question. 32nd question is a diagram related question, and we have to find the area of shaded region. So area of shaded region is nothing but area of big minus area of small. Here area of big is square minus area of four quadrants. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we subtract area of square minus area of four quadrants, we'll get the area of the shaded region. Area of square formula is side into side. Area of chord quadrant is nothing but a circle, pi r square. Replacing the values, we'll get the area of shaded part as 42 centimeters square. 33rd question is a question from surface areas and volumes. We have to find the areas of canvas. Canvas is in the form of a cone and a cylinder. So areas of canvas required to make tent is curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cone is pi r l. Curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h. Pi r into L plus 2h. I am taking pi r common and replacing the r, L and h in the given formula, we'll get our answer as 44 44 meters square. So area of canvas required to make tent is 44 meters square. We'll discuss fifth section now. Fifth section contains four questions. Each question carries 4 marks. Total 16 marks for this section. 34th question is a graph question. X plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus y is equal to 4 are pair of linear equation. We have to get the points based on the truth table like this. 0, 5, 5, 0, 1, 4. 0, 5, 5, 0 and 1, 4 are the 3 points. We have to draw a straight line touching these 3 points. So this line name is x plus y is equal to 5. We'll draw the points for the second equation. 0 minus 4, 2 0 and 3 2. So we have to draw a straight line touching these 3 points, and these two straight lines are meeting at this point, and the point is 3 comma 2. X is 3, y is 2. So x value is 3, y value is 2. Let average speed of a passenger train is x and average speed of a express train is x plus 11. According to the problem, 132 by x minus 132 by x plus 11 is equal to 1. Reason is time is equal to distance by speed. The difference between speed is 132 by x and 132 by x plus 11 is 1 hour. So cross multiplication by taking LCM, we will get the quadratic equation as x square plus 11x minus 1452. We have to take the factors for 1452 as 33 and 44. So first two terms and second two terms we have to take as one pair. In first two terms x common, x plus 44, and second two term 33, x plus 44. In both cases x plus 44 is common, so x minus 33 is 0. So x minus 33 is 0, so x will be obviously 33. So speed cannot be negative, so x is minus 44 cannot be considered. So x is 33. So speed of passenger train is 33 kilometers per hour and speed of express train is 44 kilometers per hour. 36th question is a question from application of trigonometry. If you see the picture carefully, there are two triangles, PDC or CDP, which is a right angle triangle, and there is one more triangle by name ABP. So we have to take the only the right angle triangles in smaller triangle CDP or PCD. Tan 30 is equal to 10, which is given in the question, opposite side, by x. If I take this one as x, it will be opposite by adjacent 10 by x. So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. PD will be 17.3 feet. Moving into the another triangle, bigger triangle, which is ABP. Tan 45 is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite will be y plus 10. Okay, opposite will be y plus 10. Adjacent will be this value is 4.7 because in the question they have given it is 9.4. Diameter of the cylinder is 9.4. So radius will be 4.7. So this triangle from here to here it will be 4.7, and we got PD value as 17.3 in the previous triangle. So 17.3 plus 4.7 gives you 22. Opposite is y plus 10, which is nothing but y plus 10 is equal to 22. 22 minus 10, which is 12. So the height of the conical shaped tomb will be 12 feet. 37th question is a construction question. Construct a triangle ABC with sides AB 5 centimeters, BC 7 centimeters, AC 6 centimeters. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 3/4 of the corresponding sides of the triangle. Here denominator is big, the triangle lies inside the triangle. A scale factor is less than 1. So first we have to construct a triangle AB 5 centimeters, BC BC has 7 centimeters and AC has 6 centimeters. Then we take a ray such that we have to divide that ray into exactly 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then join the fourth part, and we have to draw a parallel line from the third part. So third part I have drawn a parallel line, and from here also same we have to draw a parallel line, B dash C dash to BC, and this part is nothing but our required triangle. A B dash C dash is the required triangle. State and prove Pythagoras theorem. In model paper they have asked basic proportionality theorem. In preparatory exam, Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. So take two triangles ADB and ABC, prove that AB square is equal to ADAC, and another triangle BDC and ABC, BC square will be CD into AC. Add 1 and 2, we will get AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square.